If you are a new hacker or just want to start a career on hacking and want to learn hacking, so first of all, what you need to do is setting up a lab. But it is not possible to buy physical machines because it will be costly. So what we can do is we can take the help of virtualization. Now to virtualize, first of all, we need a software which can run multiple operating systems, multiple virtual operating systems in our main machine. The one software that comes from VMware.com, which is VMware workstation player, and the another one is Oracle VM VirtualBox, which can be used to virtualize operating system and run on your host machine. Now, first of all, we need to check if our virtualization technology is on or not. So to do that, click on the taskbar and go to the task manager. And in the performance tab, here we'll have an option called virtualization, and here you can see it is enabled for me. So if your virtualization is not enabled, it is you can enable it in your BIOS settings. So for me it is enabled, so let us proceed. Now the first software is a VMware workstation, which you can download from this vmware.com, and click on the downloads, and it comes with two options. One is free and another one is paid version. So we will go for the free version and click on the free products download, and here we will have the workstation player. If you click on this, and in the and scroll down, and here we will have the option to download VMware the latest version 15.5 player for Windows and Linux as well. So please download it first, then we will. You can choose any one of them. You can download the VMware workstation as well as the Oracle VM VirtualBox. Both works the same, but this is something which I recommend, and it is the most stable one. So I'll recommend you to go for VMware workstation 15.5. And then next we have to download the most popular operating system for hackers, and which is Kali Linux, of course. And to download Kali Linux, go to kali.org and slash downloads. Scroll down, and here we'll have the options to download Kali. Now here you can see a lot of options are available. Kali Linux 32 bit live installer, net installer, and if you scroll downwards, and here you'll see an option to download Kali Linux for VMware and as well as VirtualBox. So if you download VMware, download the VMware version for Kali Linux, and if you are using the VirtualBox, you will download the VirtualBox image. Now after downloading is completed, we need a target because we are going to hacking some systems, right? So we need a target to hack, and the target comes from the rapid7.com, which is the developer of Metasploit framework. Now the target name is Metasploitable 2, and here you can see what is Metasploitable 2. A test environment provides a secure place to perform penetration testing and security research. So it is legal to hack, and it is made for hack. And in the bottom you will see the options to download. So click on the sourceforge.net because it provides a faster download speed, and click on the download button to download it. Now after download is finished, now after your download is completed, open the VMware workstation player and click on the open virtual machine option, and after that just select the downloaded file for one time for Kali Linux and uh, one time for the Metasploitable 2, and here you will have the all the operating systems running. And here you can see I have a lot of operating systems running on this machine, but you will have this Kali Linux 20.2 for me, and the another one is Metasploitable 2, which is our target machine. Now we need to configure the network as well. Make sure your network adapter is selected to NAT or network data translation, and there you will have the option to select it. Click on the network adapter and see if you make sure it is using the NAT, and click on OK. Do the same for the Metasploitable 2 Linux. Click on the network adapter and click on the network adapter and make sure it is running on. It is using the NAT as a network adapter, and make sure the NAT is selected as network adapter. And for Kali Linux, if you want to increase the memory size or RAM size, you can do that. For me it is selected as 2 GB, but if I want to increase it to up to 4 GB, but depending on it totally depends on your desktop or laptop's RAM size. For me my RAM is 8 GB, so I can of course make it 4 GB, and then click on OK. You can increase the processor also. It is initially using one core, a single core processor, but you can make it 2 or 4 if you have multiple, but I have only dual core, so I will keep it to single one. And then you can run, and here you will see the username is root and password is tour, but in the latest version it is not. And let us run this and I will tell you the username and password, and let us run the Metasploitable 2 as well. For Kali, the default username is Kali and the default password is Kali. And for Metasploitable 2, here you will have the options, and they will display the username and password. So it is msapadmin, I guess, and the password is msapadmin also. Let us wait for booting up this to operating system. And this is the paid version of Beamer workstation. It is the pro version, but the free version works same as well. And here you can see the Metasploitable 2 username is msapadmin and the password is also msapadmin. So let us log in. Username is msapadmin and password is msapadmin, and we are on the account, and let us check who am I. And yes, we are successfully logged in. You can check the IP address of this system. If you are using this NAT configuration, it means that you have a separated network inside of your machine, and it is not really connected. It is connected to the outside internet through your host machine, means Windows machine, which you are in which the firmware workstation is installed. And the IP you can see 10.10.10.131, and let's see if Kali is booted up, and here Kali is up, so we can log in by the username Kali and the password is also Kali. It will take some time to load because I'm using the single core processor for Kali, but if you are using multiple cores then it will take less amount of time. And let's see if this is if Metasploitable 2 can ping the outside internet. So let us ping google.com, and there you can see it can connect with the outside internet. No packet loss, 0% packet loss. 0% packet loss means it is connected to the internet, and but through the host machine. So let us do the same for Kali. And one more option is you can make it full screen so that you can view it properly. So let us ping it. Let us see the IP first by ifconfig, and here is the IP address of this Kali machine. Then we will try to ping Google, and here you can see our internet is up and we can connect to the outside world. But while it is selected as NAT and the network adapter, it is connecting to the outside network through this host machine. So it is secure for testing. So it is secure for penetration testing because we are not harming outside world, and whatever activities we are performing, it is inside of our own machine, inside of our own network. So we are not harming anyone. So Yes, this is our lab setup. You can then hack the Metasploitable 2 Linux from your Kali machine. So you can try to hack, or in the next video I will tell how to hack it, how to first time hack your Metasploitable 2 using the VSFTPD protocol from the Kali, which is a file transfer protocol, which the full form is very secure file transfer protocol daemon, but how you will see how secure it is. So wait for the video. So subscribe if you want to watch it when it is published. And thanks for watching. If you like this video, click like. If you enjoyed this video, click like. And see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.